everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you what's going to happen on Imbewu, the seat from the 16th to 28th of January 2023 on Monday. Lindwe is shaken when Temba tells her he's going for full custody. Maharaj tried to keep in Nirupa's good books. Zimele has to consider his move with Mazulu, and Phakade finally stand firmly with Sebenzile in the face of Mazulu on Tuesday. Mazulu is determined to get her shares back. Zagiti denies knowing anything about the issue. Phakade realizes that he has been dubbed by Mzwandile and feels like a fool. He and Sebenzile agreed to trick Kanyo into going to the Gobela to get cleansed on Wednesday. When Kanyo tried to leave, the family are forced to tie her up and lock her in her room. Lately, they break the news that Mzwandile has fed her a love potion, but Kanyo won't believe them. Lindwe makes a bad impression on the social worker and decides to resign as manager at Msamo to focus on being a better mom on Thursday. Mzwandile and Phakade get into a fight. The family realize they need to take Kanyo to the Gobela immediately. Mazulu has to run in with Maharaj and demand he provide proof she sold him her shares. Instead, get the shock of her life when Maharaj revealed what he can use against her on Friday. Zimele is determined to find Maharaj's weakness. He is concerned when Mazulu arrives home looking distraught and he hears her throwing up in her room. Kwezi is thrilled to have both her parents back in life and to move to Durban to be with them both. And a new respect is formed between Temba and Lindiwe. There is a hint of attraction between them. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your